Are you diving into dropshipping and wondering which automation tool will save you the most time and boost your profits? Today, we're breaking down AutoDS versus Zendrop, two of the top dropshipping tools on the market, to help you decide which one fits your business best. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly which tool is worth your investment. Links to free trials are in the description if you want to follow along. AutoDS features. Let's start with AutoDS. This tool integrates with Shopify, eBay, Facebook, Etsy, WooCommerce, and Wix, making it a powerhouse for multi-platform sellers. It offers a marketplace of high-quality, fast shipping products and even includes a TikTok ad spy feature so you can spot trending items before everyone else. You can import products from Amazon, AliExpress, and other platforms with just one click, and its automatic stock and price monitoring ensures you never oversell or lose profit margins. Zendrop features. Now, Zendrop focuses more on US-based products with fast shipping and offers product sourcing along with custom branded packaging, which is great if you want a more premium brand feel. While Zendrop has similar core features like fulfillment, automation, and price monitoring, it supports fewer platforms compared to AutoDS. Feature comparison. If you're selling across multiple platforms or want to leverage TikTok trends, AutoDS clearly has the edge. Zendrop shines only if your focus is US-based products or custom branding, but it comes at a higher cost. Pricing and reviews. Speaking of costs, Zendrop has a free plan, but fulfillment plans start at $49 a month, going up to $79 for premium. AutoDS. Shopify plans are cheaper, ranging from $20 to $50 per month. Customer feedback reflects this value. AutoDS boasts a 4.8 star rating from over 7,300 reviews, praised for full automation, while Zendrop sits at 4.7 stars with around 5,200 reviews. So, which one should you choose? If you're looking for multi-platform automation and trend spotting, AutoDS is your go-to. If your priority is US-based sourcing and branded packaging, Zendrop could make sense, but be ready to pay the $49 monthly fee. Both offer 30-day free trials, and AutoDS even has a $1 for 14-day special. Ready to level up your dropshipping game? Check the links in the description and start testing these tools today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss more dropshipping.